Most people think budgeting is about restriction, sacrifice, and saying no to everything. But rich people see budgeting completely differently. They use it as a tool to create freedom, reduce stress, and make money work for them instead of working for money. Welcome back to Smart Finance Mentor, where we turn complicated financial ideas into simple steps you can use in real life. Today, you're going to learn how rich people budget their money and how you can copy the same habits no matter what your income is. The first thing rich people do is treat their budget like a strategy, not a punishment. They don't track every tiny expense obsessively, but they do know exactly where their money is going. Their focus is simple: control the flow of money so it grows instead of leaks. They divide their income into 3 core areas: wealth building, living costs, and enjoyment. And the part they prioritize the most is wealth building, even before lifestyle. This is why the rich stay rich. They invest first, spend later. Another thing wealthy people do differently is they automate everything. They don't rely on motivation or memory to save and invest. The moment money enters their account, it's automatically divided into investments, savings, and expenses. This system protects them from emotional spending and forces progress even on autopilot. Just imagine if every month 20 to 30% of your income quietly moved into investments without you even thinking about it. Over time, this habit alone can change your entire financial future. Rich people also understand the power of tracking, but in a simple way. They review their money once a week or once a month, not every day. They ask themselves one question: is my money growing or shrinking? If something in their spending isn't making their life better, they cut it without thinking twice. They are ruthless with unnecessary expenses, but generous with anything that increases their skills, time, or earning potential. One of the biggest secrets of how wealthy people budget is the focus on cash flow. Most people only look at their salary. Rich people look at how many income streams they have and how much each one produces. Even if you earn a small amount right now, you can build this mindset. Start with one small extra income stream: freelancing, online work, digital products, or simple passive income. Increase it slowly. Budgeting becomes easy when you have more money coming in from different sources. Finally, rich people reward themselves, but strategically. They allow enjoyment and lifestyle upgrades, but only when their investments are growing. This makes spending guilt-free because they know their money is still building wealth behind the scenes. If you start using your budget as a tool to build wealth instead of controlling your life, everything will shift. You'll stress less, grow faster, and feel more in control of your money than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor. I release videos designed to help you master money, build passive income, and grow your wealth step by step. Hit the like button if this video gave you value and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Let's build your financial future together.